Discover the latest innovation from the Easy Extend barrier range, the Easy Extend Max. Thanks to its 50 cm wide banner extending to 3 meters, this barrier offers a more visible and impassable solution to better help protect against dangers. The semi-permeable material ensures high wind resistance to allow for use in indoor and outdoor environments. The Easy Extend Max also features a weighted base to further improve stability. Like the original Easy Extend products, Easy Extend Max is easy to transport and store in its base, and takes seconds to assemble. You can also attach to walls, racking and even vehicles by using the support bracket system and receiver clips. Available as both screw or magnetic fixing options. The Easy Extend Max is the effective and easy-to-use solution to improving health and safety in your workplace. It's compatible with the original Easy Extend range and its accessories. Easy Extend Max, the quick and easy way to improve your site safety.